Hello everybody, it's Larry. Welcome to today's video. We have a huge public service announcement. This is for MyHeritage. If you remember, we had the opportunity between Thanksgiving and Christmas. We talked to them and they let all of our viewers and anybody we shared the code with have half off on unlocking the DNA tools. Well, guess what? They've done one better. This is a 1 week only event. But now for the next 1 week, you can upload your DNA from 23andMe or Ancestry or FTDNA or wherever, upload it into MyHeritage and unlock for the price of, okay, get a price in your head. Ready? We're going to see if I can beat the price. Starting right now, you can upload your DNA and unlock it for, have you got that price in your head? You don't. Get the price in your head. Okay, think of a price, think of a number. Okay, anything under that number would be a good deal. Free, absolutely free for 1 week. And yes, once you unlock it, it is a lifetime unlock. I paid $29 for it back before they were kind enough to give us the code. Then they gave us the code, and all our listeners that took advantage of it had the opportunity to do it for only $15. I know some people missed out on that. Well, guess what? It can't get any better than this. It just simply can't. Zero. There's no, unless they paid us, MyHeritage, let's talk about that. Anyway, so if they paid us to upload our DNA data, then perhaps it would be cheaper. But this is the absolute best possible deal we can ever get. Now, it's only available for 7 days. So if you don't know how, you go up on, let's say for Ancestry, go to your DNA page and download your DNA data. It can be done pretty quick. It usually takes less than a few minutes, like 5 minutes maybe total. When you go to MyHeritage, you come down to the bottom of the page. See, here's the MyHeritage page. Right here at the very bottom, so you can scroll all the way to the bottom here. And it says sign up for free. It's in the first column. It says home, sign up for free. All right? You'll click on sign up for free. And it'll ask you, your name, your parents' name, your grandparents' name. If you know them, if you don't, that's fine. If you are adopted and you're looking, that's fine. So when you get in, you'll get in and you'll have this page. Now, one of the things you're going to do then is you're going to click on the DNA right here, and it says upload DNA data. This one right here. We're going to click on that. It'll bring up this page. Well, I must have messed with it. So here, let's just actually do it. Click on upload DNA data. And you'll click start here and you'll click yes, I consent, I've read it, and you'll say mine, or if you're doing it for someone else's, you'll enter their name and that you have obtained permission. Okay, all right, so once you upload the data, okay, you have to accept all the policies here, and then it'll let you search for the file on your computer. So click all that, click upload, get that file that you've downloaded from, say, Ancestry, MyHeritage, or not MyHeritage to MyHeritage, from 23andMe or Ancestry, upload that. Then what's going to happen is you're going to get right here to the DNA matches or to the tools, and it's going to tell you that the results aren't ready if you just upload them. So knowing that this was coming, I uploaded my daughter's to her own account, and I just did this right prior to making this video, which is right after I posted the message on Facebook that something's coming. And so it's going to take it about 1 day for it to process, because it's going to take her DNA and go out and find all of the DNA matches. And then when it does, you'll get an email saying that, hey, it's done processing. You want to come right back to the MyHeritage site, go to DNA, click on tools, and just like there was a button over here to click start on the DNA download, okay, or the DNA upload, like there's a button here, there'll be one that says unlock tools right here. So you just click on that and do the DNA tools, click on that, and you'll get a button. Now, I wish hers was done processing, because then I could show you the button, but it'll show up right there just like it was before, once it's done. So it'll take it about a day and it'll be there, and it'll be absolutely free. Click on it, unlock it. You've got 7 days total, and since it takes a day or so for the DNA to process, you've really got about 6 days on this. So this is a special offering, and you get to hear it before anybody else any video channel, any announcement anywhere. This is it. Unless you've got, friends at MyHeritage and you knew this was coming. No, this is as hot off the press as it can get, and you can unlock those DNA tools for your kits for the price of $0. That's right. So upload those kits for your family members. If you're a person that manages 13 kits for your family, get their permission. Upload them now, and you can unlock each one of them in their own account for $0 each. That's right, $0. Did I beat your price? Did they beat your price? This isn't me. This is them. So, hey, this sometimes the announcements are really cool. This is one for those of you who did set the alarm. If you already have done that and you're like me and you already bought the tools, sorry I woke you up. If you haven't done it, wow, you have just gotten the best gift, aka Christmas gift, in the middle of February that you could possibly get by getting this thing for $0. So, if you have not uploaded your data, your DNA data, or you already have but haven't unlocked the tools, do it now. Do not hesitate. It's not going to get cheaper ever. It can't. Unless they start passing out checks for us to upload our DNA data, it cannot get any better than this. All right. I hope you enjoyed it. Pass this around. Your genealogy groups, anybody, all your Facebook groups, this word needs to get out. It won't get cheaper than this. This is the best deal it's ever going to be on that. It's for 1 week. And folks, the one we did at Thanksgiving to Christmas was a huge success for them, converted a lot. If this works, they might do it again later. I don't know. But let's take advantage of it just in case it doesn't, because, hey, $0. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. Pass it around to your friends. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe. We hit the 10,000 mark. Thank you all. So I won't start begging again until we get over the 990,000 or so mark. Anyway, we'll talk to you later. Hey, by the way, Texas is thawed out. We now have pretty consistent power. I was fortunate, even with the electricity, and we did have water pipes froze. Ours didn't burst. A lot of people here, the flooding in their houses caused their ceilings and second floors to cave in to their first floor. And it's a pretty big mess here. Texas isn't built for the cold weather. For those of you who don't know, Texas just went through an ice storm. And for us, for those of you around the world using, Celsius, the metric system, if it gets 16 Celsius, we put on coats, okay? To us, that's freezing. And so the wind chill factor, on the outside of our walls during this was minus 40 Celsius. It was minus 11 degrees a couple of nights ago. But don't worry now. Today it got up to 60-something, almost 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So, which is about 20, 22 Celsius. In a couple of days, I think we're supposed to be in the 80s. Texas, where we experience all 4 seasons a couple of times a day. Anyway, the videos will start coming back out again now that we have power, and we are now at a comfortable temperature inside the house. Thank you all for your patience. Pass this around. This is a video. If they're your friends, you want to share this with them. It's not going to get cheaper than $0. I promise you. All right? Take care. Stay warm, and we'll talk to you again soon.